In today's video, you are going to see about pattern writing. In that, we are going to see standing lines and sleeping lines. Welcome to our channel Kids and My Passion. We are going to see standing lines and sleeping lines. Standing line is also known as vertical lines, whereas sleeping line is also known as horizontal line. Let's see how the standing line and sleeping lines. Standing line, sleeping line. Now let's see some examples of standing and sleeping lines. Alphabet E. So it is a standing line and 3 sleeping lines. E. Next, F. Next, H. I. Next, L. Next, T. These are the alphabets of standing and sleeping lines. We can also write the numbers 1 and 4 with the standing and sleeping lines. Slanting lines. We have right slanting line, left slanting line. Now let's see some alphabets with slanting lines. Letter A. Letter K. Letter M. Letter N. Letter V. Letter W. Letter X. Letter Y. Letter Z. So these are the slanting alphabets. Now let's see the number. Number 7. Now let's see about curves. So we have right curve, left curve, up curve, down curve, circle. Now let's see alphabets with the curves. B, C, D, G, J, O, P, Q, R, S, U. So these are the alphabets with the curves. Now let's see the numbers using curves. Number 2, number 3, number 5, Number 6. Number 8. Number 9. Number 0. Standing lines and sleeping lines. So these are the alphabets and numbers. E, F, H, I, L, T. Numbers 1 and 4. Slanting lines. We have right slanting lines, left slanting line, and the alphabets are A, K, M, N, V, W, X, Y, Z. The number 7. Curves. We have right curve, left curve, up curve, down curve, circle. And the alphabets are B, C, D, G, J, O, P, Q, R, S, U. And the numbers are 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9, 0. So these are the pattern writing for the alphabets and numbers. Now let's see some DIYs for pre-writing practices. First, kids need to practice the scribbling. For that, you need a white paper sheet and you need to make use of a triangular pencil or triangular crayons. And they need to scribble it. Randomly, they can scribble it on the white paper sheet. They can use the triangular pencils also for scribbling. Once they are done with the scribbling practice, then you can introduce with the lines concept. So this is the first DIY which I made by using a cardboard, different patterns of slanting lines and standing lines and sleeping lines. So you can place a paper down and the kids need to trace the pattern just like a stencil. Like this, they will be learning the slanting and standing line patterns by using these stencils. Now second DIY. Second DIY which is being made by using the woolen thread, where standing line and sleeping lines curves are being made by the woolen threads. So here the kid need to place the fingers over here saying that standing line. Next, sleeping line. Standing line, sleeping line. Similarly, slanting lines. Slanting line, slanting line, curve. So like this, they will be touching on the thread and they can feel the line pattern. Next DIY, which is made by using the foam sheet. It's the adhesive foam sheet. So where you can cut in different patterns like this. Okay. So just instead of using sandpaper, I made use of this foam sheet, glitter foam sheet. So they will be learning the pattern like standing line. They will be placing the finger, standing line, standing line. So they can feel it, the pattern. Sleeping line, slanting line. So this will help your kids pre-writing practice by using these DIY sheets. Hope you will all try these DIYs and please post your comments if you like this video. Thank you and please do subscribe my channel.
E A.